Welcome to the GLAC Studio. This is Gomathi Siva Sankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. Today, on this auspicious day of Lord Krishna's birthday, which is also called Gokulashtami or Janmashtami, the GLAC Studio is happy to present to you 4 different product lines: the oil painting original, the printed version, the digital version, and also the tutorial version. The original, as we speak right here, is the 80 by 60 centimeter oil on canvas painting that shows Radha and Krishna happily seated on the swing. It's a symbol of love and happiness. This original painting is definitely on its way to its end customer. While this is on the move, there are prints available via our website. The links are available in the description. The digital versions are available as NFTs on OpenSea. Also links available in the description. The collection that NFTs are holding, the collection is also the range of pictures that was taken along the line, every single hour of production of this painting. So you get to see the storyline and how in picture format of how this painting was made. The whole 30 hours of work that this painting took was fully recorded as well in the form of a tutorial, which is also presented. The link is below. This tutorial helps anyone that is interested in going ahead to the next level and saying, hey, I want to create something like this on my own. To do this, so we help you step by step from the basic to the advanced level. The links are available in the description below. The same tutorial can also be found in Udemy. That's a member of Udemy. Anyone that is interested in doing this painting fully can also access via Udemy. I would also like to use this opportunity to thank 2 of my team members, Sona Nachammai and Srividhya Mothilal, that have worked relentlessly to all these videos, to make all these videos available for you in the tutorial format. Thank you very much. Enjoy this beautiful day. Happy Gokulashtami to one and all. May peace be with you. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.